traveling makeup brush set with the LED light. Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is another Amazon findings. I'm finding so many great things on Amazon and this is no joke. If you're into beauty and something affordable and something pink, then keep watching you guys, because I'm gonna go over this wonderful kit. That's an LED light kit that just works for everything, for traveling, your car, you know, you're in dark places and you hook up that makeup. This light is so bright. It's pink. They do have it in white, as you see, and other colors, but the girl loves pink. 14 items of brushes, you guys. So if you're into needing more brushes and, you know, need brushes, then you might need this kit. The link will be down below too if you want to purchase it. I just picked my nails. I don't want to mess it up. But we can get her open. Can we do it without messing my nails up? I know what the trick is. I have to open up both sides and push it through. Let me open it. Oh, I love this rose gold base, and they protect it with this. I love that. To see this, makeup is so important. Oh, they protect this plastic. So I was like, that is not the mirror. Like, for real, it's not gonna be like that. So let's just peel this off. Yes. Oop. Oh, now you want to mess up my nails. Okay. Look, for real. No. This baby turns and twists. And look, boom. That was so easy. Look, boom. For real. Ooh, this is what I needed. Look how they protected each brush with the plastic in there, you guys. They are not playing. And I love this nice salmon, like pink. Ooh, the brush quality is nice. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This is exactly what I needed. Oh, I can apply my makeup on nice and better now because I have the proper brushes. I needed this so bad. When you don't have really good brushes or your brushes are dirty, it just looks funky. You know what I mean? So you need a good selection. Oh yeah. Wow. And that's just blending. I'm just blending like the little bit of makeup I do have on, and wow. But let's apply some bronzer because I'm into doing some makeup now. Like, I want to just touch it up with using these brushes because, baby, this is so soft. This is so soft. Super soft. And I love this. This is brilliant, you guys. This is, I wish I designed this. Like, really? And not only is a LED light, you plug it up right there and you can charge it up. So simple to charge up with your, if you guys have iPhone, it's probably the same, you know, same charger, everything with that. And simply outstanding. BC, they say on here, if you guys want to know, it says BC-Mall. So that's the name of the company on Amazon. I like this size of this brush too. It's really nice. We're gonna go in with just a nice light color and just to brighten up that pocket. I love like glowy, like J-Lo makeup. Like the makeup just pops and just makes you look younger and brighter and happier. It's like what I like. I'm just gonna apply this on. Yes. I'm loving these brushes. Great. This is good. All right, this is another size. I'm loving it. It's no shedding. It's super soft on my skin and it holds the makeup good. Let's try like more of a fun bronzer. Isn't that great? I'm just gonna dab it because I don't want it on like very thick or anything. We're just gonna dab. Ooh, yeah, just make it pop. And everybody puts like bronzer on the tip of their nose. I don't know why, but we're gonna try that. So I can glow. And just a little bit right in here. Use this brush. Not wanting too much. That forehead, that makeup is blended, and I am loving this, you guys. Ooh, that looks so good. This brush is so freaking soft. Pink makeup brushes, all 14 of them, all different sizes, lengths, and cut differently, if that makes any sense. I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't know the detail of it, but I'm getting into it because a girl needs to glam. I need the glam, and this kit is gonna take me there because I see a big difference. Okay. This luxury set provides you with everything you need to create flawless makeup that looks beautiful. Why I love shopping on Amazon, and I love using these brushes, and I need them really bad. I mean, I'm gonna throw away all the old ones I have, so this is perfect. Hit that subscribe right there, you guys, and give the video a thumbs up. I have a lot of videos about natural hair and other reviews of other great, unique Amazon items. See y'all later in the next video. Bye now. I don't know, I love all of these. They're so perfect too because these will fit in my purse. I mean, I love the size and I love the pink. It's like a rose gold pink. It's nice, it's perfect. I'm gonna take all this plastic off of it. See you guys later, bye. Oh yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you haven't already. It really helps, you guys, it really helps. I appreciate it. Oops.